I'm a traditional Chinese medicine student. I'm very curious, foreign friends. Are you often troubled by inflammations, such as sore throat and skin breakouts? Do you always take various pills to suppress the inflammations? Are you deeply troubled by the side effects of drugs, such as abdominal pain and dizziness? In the concept of traditional Chinese medicine, all these belong to heat, evil. Chinese people generally drink natural fire, reducing tea to improve their physical condition. The formula of the tea is as follows: 3 chrysanthemums, 1 piece of rock sugar, 2 kumquats, 15 grams of lily, 500 milliliters of drinking water. Boil for 30 minutes, during which I will review my knowledge of Chinese materia medica. After boiling, you can drink the soup first, and then eat the kumquats and lilies in it. Don't you drink anti-inflammatory tea to reduce inflammation?